Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to MojaveKY. Really happy to see you here. So, in today's video, this is going to be a Silverado video, and it is going to be on the MojaveParts. No relation, but what a great name. The MojaveParts tie downs. So these are some, I think they're aluminum, they're super light, super tough. These are in Mojave blue, so they look freaking perfect for any of the vehicles that I have, and I think you'll enjoy them. So take a watch of the video, and I'll see you on the backside. Okay, these are the list of tools that I started with. To be honest with you, if you don't have a bed rug, you only need the middle tool to remove the little plastic pieces that go in the truck. All right, so let's take a look at the piece. So you can see kind of the groove there and how that's setting. You're going to slide that through and then see how that locks in place. That's how it's going to be kind of inside the truck, and you're going to set it just through that hole. Just wanted you to see that. Okay, so this really only applies if you have a bed rug. Otherwise, you'll have direct access to these spots that you want to put this hook or tie down. So that is the little plastic piece that you're going to want to take out. That actually fell out, but just put that back. We're going to take the plastic removal tool to remove that. That little metal hook did 100 times better job than this little plastic piece at removing that. So just get a little metal hook and do it. This took a few minutes. I'm just cutting it down so you didn't have to watch me struggle with it, but pops off, and now you have that opening that the MojaveParts hook is perfect for. So you can see it's perfectly the exact same size. You slide that metal piece through, and then you twist it, so now it is going in, perpendicular to the truck instead of horizontal to the truck. So set it in there, turn that, pull it tight, and then you can feel it kind of catch against that back plate. So you want to make sure that the back plate and the hook line up, kind of like I showed you on that close-up, so that rail kind of matches up with that hook, and then hold it in place and screw that down. I mean, literally, that is the only thing you have to do. It looks a little like it's off, but it's just the angle of the camera there, so it actually works fine. Now, if you have a bed rug, obviously you want to get access to the hook, so I just set the bed rug up, kind of found the edge, and made a small, cut on each side, just like this. So cut that side, again, find the edge of the other side, give that a cut, and then I just pulled it back and then just cut the top. I didn't actually cut a hole, so I just cut the top, folded it over. I think you can see that here. That material is pretty tough, so folded it over, just pulled it back, and then push the bed rug back into place, and you can see you have that all nice and snug and a really awesome looking tie down. So I just wanted to show you both of them. So 2 in place on each side, so I got a total of 4. That's in the middle of the truck, and why I'm showing you this is if you have a backflip or potentially some other one, the front part of it has a drain hose for the tonneau cover, and I had to use that same spot, and so I decided just to keep that, and I would keep the 2 MojaveParts hooks in the middle. They look great. So thank you so much to MojaveParts for sending these out for us to test and put on the Mojave Silverado. They look fantastic. They work great. It was a ridiculously quick install. If you need 5 minutes for all of them, you probably still have a minute left over. So the install's quick, it's simple, smooth, product is sturdy, and you should have years of tie down joy, or whatever you want to call it, the ability to tie your stuff down in the back of your truck for years. So awesome product from MojaveParts. Not a sponsor, but again, they did provide this for us to look at and review for you guys, and go check them out. I'm gonna see if they have some parts for the top. There's, the physical top of the bed, the flat part of the top of the bed has a couple drop downs, and I bet they may have something that I can put in there to tie down even from that spot. So I'd actually like something from there. All right, until the next time, thank you guys again for all the watches, all the likes and subscribes. Really appreciate it. Channel's growing nicely and not too fast, and Kent and I are having a great time. So in the meantime, go have a good weekend, go enjoy your cars, and keep modding.